How to change name in 8-ball pool. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change your name in 8-ball pool. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to change your name, once you launch 8-ball pool and you log into the game, you want to just tap on your avatar or your profile picture, which is located from the top left hand side of the screen. And when you've done that, this is the interface that you can see. And over here you can see this option called your name, which is below your profile picture, and you can tap on this pencil like editing icon right next to your profile picture. And when you do that, you can see change name, tap and select a new name. However, one thing that you want to note is that you can only change your name for free for the first time. So you can see here it says only the first name change is free. If you've already changed your name or username before, you will not be able to change it later for free, and you'd have to pay certain price or certain gems in order to do so. So you want to make sure if this is your first time that you do not have any spelling or typo mistakes, and after that only make sure to tap the confirm button to change your name. That way you can easily change your name in 8-ball pool. Hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.